Good morning and welcome to the lecture session on rank correlation. In today's session, I am going to discuss about what is rank correlation, how it is useful for what type of problems. The definition of the rank correlation or the Spearman's rank correlation. The Spearman's correlation coefficient is defined as the Pearson's correlation coefficient between the rank variables, and it will be denoted by the symbol rho. Suppose the two variables, that is x and y, are two variables. Let rx and ry are the ranks of the variable x and y respectively, and di is rx minus ry be the difference of the ranks. Then the Spearman's rank correlation is given by rho is equal to 1 minus of 6 sigma di square divided by n cube minus n, where di is rxi minus ryi. The problem: we have 10 competitors in a beauty contest and are ranked by the two judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of rank correlation. The ranks given by the first judge and the second judge is as follows: 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7 and 8. Whereas the second judge is given 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5 and 7. These are the ranks given for the 10 competitors in a beauty contest by the two judges. So, a total number of contestants or n is given by 10, and sigma d square is calculated by taking the differences between the two ranks. We can observe in the previous slide. Here 1 and 6 for the first contestant. Here it is a 6th rank is given for the contestant number 2 by judge 1, whereas 4th rank is given for the same contestant by the judge 2, and 5th rank is given by the first judge for the third contestant, and the 9th rank is given by the second judge for the third contestant. So we need to take the differences of all these things, that is ranks. So 1 minus 6 the whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 9 whole square plus 3 minus 8 whole square, 10 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 3 whole square, 9 minus 10 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square and 8 minus 7 whole square. So when we compute, we are getting respectively 25, 4, 16, 25, 81, 0, 1, 1, 4 and 1. So when we total it up, we are getting it as 158. We know the formula. So rho is given by 1 minus 6 sigma d square, that is a sigma d square value is 158, divided by n cube minus n. N is 10 here, so it is 10 cube minus 10, which gives us 0.042. So the rank correlation between the two judges is 0.042. Let's take another example. 10 students got following percentage of marks in two subjects x and y. Compute their rank correlation coefficient. Marks x and y. So for the first student, marks are 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65 and 39. Marks y, the second subject, 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 53 and 47. Now let us tabulate it by taking the column heads as X, rank, Y, rank, and D, Rx minus Ry, and then the D square. How it is computed? Here we can observe what is the ranks we can give it. First highest in the X subject is 98, that we can see here. For this one, marks, highest is given as the first rank. Next highest, if you observe, it is 90. Next highest is 82, and then 78, and so on. So the ranks are given for 98 as 3. We can see when the rank is given for the 98 is 1, because that is the topmost rank. And the next rank is given for the 90, and the next to that rank is given for 82, and so on. So these are all the ranks given for the marks obtained in the first subject. Similarly, in the second subject, highest mark obtained by the student is 91, and the next highest is 86, next highest is 84, and so on. So the ranks are given according to the highest mark in the decrease, that is in the highest mark is given for the first rank, and so on. So these are the ranks for the first subject, and these are the ranks for the second subjects. In order to find the D value, we need to take the difference between the two. So we got the difference as 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2. These are all the D values we have got, but we need what the D square is. So that let us just square it and add it. That is, the summation of this will be 30. So we have, by the formula, rho is equal to 1 minus of 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. So that gives us 1 minus 6 times of sigma is 30 divided by n total, n the total value is 10 here, so it is 10 cube minus 10. So rank what we have calculated is 0.81818, that can be rounded off to 0.82. That is highest correlation we are getting from this two subjects ranks. Next example, compute the rank correlation coefficient for the following marks of 8 students selected at random in PUC and SSLC. So in the PUC it is 85, 60, 73, 40, 89, 54, 70, 68. Whereas in the SSLC 92, 74, 64, 50, 80, 63, 61 and 80. So for PUC and SSLC respectively, we have named as P and S. Rank of P and rank of S, just like similarly to previous problem. The highest in the PUC what has been obtained is 89. So corresponding to that, the first rank has been given. And next to that is 85. So corresponding to that is 2. And after that 73. So corresponding to that is 3. And 70 for 4. 68 for 5. 60 for 6. And 54 for 7. And 40 for 8. So totally 8 are there, so 8 ranks has been given. Similarly, when it comes to SSLC, the highest marks obtained is 92. So for that the rank 1 has been given. Next is 80, so rank 2 is given, and so on. So we have rank in the PUC and rank in the SSLC. Let us take the difference of the two. That will give us as 1, 2, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3 and 3. So the D square will be square of that will be total to 32. So n is equals to 8. Therefore P is given by 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n, or it is 1 minus 6 into 32 divided by 8 cube minus 8. That is 1 minus 192 divided by 512 minus 8. That gives us 0.6191. That is the rank correlation between the PUC marks and the SSLC marks. Let's go to the next question. Here are 10 competitors in music contest are ranked by the 3 judges A, B, C in the following order. Use a rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. So here are the 3 judges for the 10 competitors. These are the 10 competitors. Judge A has given the ranks like 1, 6, 5, 10 like this. Whereas Judge B has given 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. For C, whereas C has given 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5 and 7. Here 3 instead of 2 comparison, we have got a 3 comparison, and which 2 judges are nearest approach to common taste of music, that we need to find it out, whether it is A and B or B and C or A and C have the nearest approach. Let's see now. We compute rank of AB, rank of BC, rank of CA with the help of the following table, where D is the difference in ranks. A is given by this, B is given by this, and C is given by this. And when we take the difference of A and B, we are getting 2 whose square is 4. Whereas the difference of A and B in the second competent is 6 and 5. So the difference is 1, which square is 1. Similarly, 5 and 8, if you take the difference, it is minus 3, and which square is 9. Here the difference is 6 and its square is 36. Like this, for A and B we have taken. Similarly, B and C, if we take 3 minus 6 is minus 3, whose square is 9. 5 minus 4, the difference is 1, which square is 1. Like that, between B and C also taken. Similarly, between C and A also the difference, and then the square has been taken. Let us do the totaling of D square of AB, D square of BC, D square of CA, and the rank is calculated for D square of AB, BC as well as CA. Which one is getting the highest, we have to see there. Now we have the formula rho is 1 minus 6 sigma D square by NQ minus N, where N is 10 for the given data. So when we take the rank of AB, it is 1 minus of 6 into 200 divided by 10 cube minus 10, which on calculation gives us a negative correlation, that is minus of 0.21. And when it comes to the B and C, the judge B and C, what is the rank correlation if you calculate? Here also we are getting a negative correlation, that is minus of 0.297. And next, coming to the CA, the rank correlation what we are calculating is 0.636. This is the good understanding between the 2 judges. Here we are getting a negative correlation, here also we are getting a negative correlation, so which cannot be considered. That means the taste of A and B are very far off, and similarly B and C are also off very far. And coming to C and A, similar taste for music it is there, therefore these 2 only can be considered. So it is observed that sigma AB, rho AB and rho BC is negative. This implies AB and BC are positive. Thus, we conclude that the judges C and A have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Next question. Compute the rank correlation coefficient for the following data, giving the marks of 10 students in 2 tests. Test 1 and the test 2. Test 1 is given by 33, 56, 50, 65, 44, 38, 45, 52, 15 and 26. Whereas for test 2, 50, 35, 70, 25, 36, 58, 75, 60, 55 and 26. So test 1 marks and the rank of the test 1, test 2 marks and the rank of the test 2, the difference and the square of that. So n is equals to 10. Let us compute this one, that is 6 times of sigma d square by n cube minus n. Substitution of d square, that is 126. n value is 10, therefore it is substituted. So we are getting a negative correlation between the test 1 and test 2. So these are all the exercise problems. The score of 9 students in physics and chemistry are as follows. Compute the ranks of students in 2 subjects and also compute the rank correlation coefficient. So for physics and chemistry, the marks are given like this: 35, 23, 47, 17, 10, 43, 9, 6 and 28. Whereas for chemistry, the marks are given. So second question is, the score of 9 students in English and mathematics are as follows. Compute the Spearman's rank correlation. Here also for English and mathematics, they have just given the marks. We need to calculate the rank, that is what is the highest mark in the English is 80. So for this it will be given as rank 1. Whereas in the maths it is highest is I think 77. So for this only the rank will be given as first, and in the decreasing order it will be taken. So rank of this and rank of this will be given, and then correlation, Spearman's rank correlation will be calculated as per it. Next one is, random sample of a recent repair jobs was selected and estimated cost and the actual cost were recorded. So these are all the estimated cost and the actual cost. You can find out the correlation coefficient as a Spearman's rank correlation by allotting the ranks for these values. Similarly, the rank of 10 students of some batch, same batch in 2 subjects A and B are given below. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So rank A and rank B has been given directly, so you can calculate it. Thank you.